Welcome guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to make an exclusion on Windows Defender. It will be useful, for example, if you have a game file crack that you are worried that it will be deleted by Windows Defender. First of all, go into Start menu, Settings, write Virus and Threat Protection, click Virus and Web Protection Setting, Manage Settings. Go down to exclusions, add or remove exclusions. With the plus button, add exclusion. You can add file, folder, file type or process. Let's add a folder. Let's go into our desktop. Let's click the folder. Click select folder. Yes to make changes. From now from now you can have all the files that you want in that folder, even game crack files, and Windows Defender won't delete them because it has been recognized as an exclusion managed by the user. See you later guys.